In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the rear ABS sensor on this Ford Excursion. This is the one that's mounted on the differential. Let's get started. Let's unplug the sensor. There's a tab on each side that you have to pull in order to unhook it. Use a 10mm socket. There's a mounting bolt right up top here that holds it onto the differential. Break it free. Careful so that you don't break this bolt. You don't want to have to drill out the differential. Take this out. I'm going to wire brush this area a little bit before I take this out so that I have almost no debris around here. That way when I pull it out, nothing falls inside the differential. Try to pry up on the sensor while trying to wiggle it sideways. Basically, you want to pull it up and out of the mounting hole, but you don't want to break it. There's an O-ring in there. That's what helps it seal up, but often it also causes it to get stuck. It looks like this one is wanting to cooperate and pop out. Just have to work it slowly. And there it is. Very carefully wipe off the area around where the sensor mounts so that you can remove any debris that is here. Install the ABS sensor. I recommend putting a little bit of oil or silicone paste or grease, whatever you have, on the O-ring so you can push it down a lot easier without having to use the bolt to drive it in. Otherwise, if you use the bolt to pull it in, it's actually going to go at an angle, and that is not what you want. So just wiggle this back and forth. It should eventually pop in and seat. All right, that's fully seated. Let's get the bolt lined up. Turn it so that the bolt hole can catch onto the threads. And once you have that in, snug it up. That's pretty snug right there. Just give it a little bit extra. That's all you need. Let's plug it in. Line up the connector and make sure it locked in, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.